Hi, and thank you for showing interest. I'm going to walk you through how we built a fully AI-powered content system built on n8n with zero fluff, fully automated. This is what it looks like if you want to remove yourself 100% from the content creation while still showing up in Google Bing and AI search. The first automation used pulling in your sitemap and getting business context. Then it creates SEO blog topics based on your offer, ideal customer, and current indexed pages. And it drops them into a Google sheet with title, intent, words, counts, content type, everything ready to go, no duplicates, just smart planning. Automation number 2 is the engine. It pulls in the scheduled blog topics from the sheet, generates a full article, section by section, optimize the format, adds meta descriptions, slugs, alt text, everything created, and a future AI image. Then it posts everything to GoHighLevel or your WordPress blog. You can choose. Automation number 3 submits the blog post to the Google Index API immediately after publishing. That means Google sees your content in minutes, not days. Next, automation does the same thing for Bing using the Bing Webmaster Tools API. It submits every new blog post, no crawling delays, just instant discoverability. And the last automation, it adds schema markup. That's the JSON-LD data Google's AI uses to understand your content better, generating automatically and injected into each blog. This is the little AI snippet that has shown up lately in the top of each search results. Everything runs from this sheet. You drop in the keywords, set a date, and the system takes over. Writing, posting, indexing, optimizing, pretty cool. If you want us to set this up for you on your domain, we can do so, or you can get the template by visiting the link that you will get after this video. This is how we do this for our clients and for ourselves with great results. You'll be able to see that on the next page. Hope this will bring great value for you. Have a good day.